Hi, I'm so glad we're taking strides today. I finished my workout and it was actually a very challenging workout, not physically at all, but totally mentally. You see, I went to the orthopedic surgeon last week and they told me that the left side of my left knee has no cartilage. So I'm not allowed to run and I'm not allowed to walk uphill. And I have to tell you, I kind of did a little bit of both today, just a little. I'm not at that point yet where I can just be like, okay, I'm done with that. So I'm figuring it out. I'm figuring out what I can do. I might do some shot with stem cells in it, which I think I am going to do. It's so hard when, number one, we use the word hard, so I'm not going to use the word hard. When we love to do something and we cannot do it, so we have to replace it. Just like a negative thought. We just have to replace it with something else that's awesome. And the great part is that because I teach spinning, I'm just going to replace it with more spinning. Have the best day and think about what you can replace something that you don't want with something that you do.